Everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbhi Sahni and you are watching Dr. Surbhi Sahni Dental Series and Medical Videos channel. Now today I'm gonna talk about another important topic of general surgery. General surgery subject you read in third year of dentistry as well as the third year of the MBBS. So if you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. The importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming video, and don't forget to watch this video till the end. If you are preparing for the general surgery, no matter you are a MBBS student or no matter you are a BDS student or no matter you are a NEET PG or the NEET MDS aspirant and preparing for the NEET PG examination, if you are preparing for general surgery, first you need to go through the topic of cellulitis. Followed by that you need to watch this video that is related on the topic Ludwig angina. Now already there is one video out on my channel on the topic of cellulitis which is shown on your screen. I will definitely put the link of this video in the I button as well as the description of this video. So don't forget to check out that. Now after reading and going through the topic of cellulitis, you can come to the topic of Ludwig angina. Now the biggest question arises that what is Ludwig angina? See, it refers to the cellulitis of the submandibular and the submental region, including the inflammatory edema of the mouth. Variety of the streptococcal organisms plays a very important role in it, followed by many anaerobes also plays a very important role in this. Now, if we see the clinical feature of the Ludwig angina patient, then first there is the inflammatory edema of the mouth that can lead to push the tongue towards upwards and there is the difficulty in the swallowing of food. Second, there is the Brownie's edema. Brownie's edema means there is the swelling over the submandibular region and the submental region. Right? Now the third thing is that there is the putrid halitosis. That is the key main feature of this condition because patient is unable to do swallowing now. That's why. This is the another feature, that is the putrid halitosis is there. Clinical feature is the high grade fever with the toxicity. The question is, what is the treatment of the Ludwig angina? See, there are two types of the treatment. First is the conservative treatment, that the patient should do the rest and the hospitalization, treated with the proper antibiotics, feeding, administration of the intravenous fluid so as to maintain the dehydration of the patient, and feeding by the tube. If patient is not responding towards this conservative treatment, then definitely we need to go to the second option of the treatment, that is the surgical treatment. Now what we do as a surgeon in the surgical treatment? Underlining the 5 to 6 centimeter, we have to do the curved cut below the mandible basically, and that too 5 to 6 centimeter below the mandible. Curved shape incision is given over the most prominent part of the swallowing. If pus is there, we have to drain out that pus. And found the pus in that area, then definitely there might be the chances that the edematous fluid is there that will be comes out and which will improve the condition of the patient. Then the wound is closed by the loose suture and definitely the cavity is irrigated with the antiseptic agents, right? So in this way we do the surgical management of the patient. Now there are the complications. There are three main complications of Ludwig angina. There might be the septicemia, there might be the mediastinitis, or there might be the edema of the glossitis because of the spread of the cellulitis over the submucosa of the glossitis. So that can lead to the edema of the glossitis. So that's all about the today's topic regarding the Ludwig angina. A sure short question will be there in the theory exam of general surgery, no matter whether you are a MBBS student and no matter whether you are a BDS student. So this video is very important. If you want the notes of this topic, that you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, or even you can follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen and ask for the notes. and don't forget to follow me there as a sweet gesture. Thank you for watching.